Although this year's growth projections suggest that the global economy will avoid a recession, some economies are likely to experience a recessionary period at some point over the course of the year. The mining sector leads the growth story largely due to higher production volumes from diamonds. As interest rates hit historic lows in 2020, individuals took advantage of favorable financing last year as rate hikes started to materialize. For 2023, a positive but slow growth trajectory is expected. STANLIB Namibia's portfolio manager Sade Gertze says Namibia's economic growth remains below pre-pandemic levels but has recovered about 98.7% of lockdown-induced losses. Additionally, Gertze notes that inflation is showing signs of moderation and is expected to roll over in the second half of 2023 on base effects.
We do expect positive, muted growth this year. Inflation is showing signs of moderation, and we do expect it to roll over in the second half of this year, coming in below 6%. Importantly, the consumer remains under severe pressure. And as this is the top of the rate hiking cycle from our point of view, we do expect rates to be cut for next year, but central banks remain very focused on key economic data outputs, and that will inform their decisions.
Giving an overview on Namibia's insurance market, Liberty Life actuary Nyasha Masimbe says uptake of insurance is low currently due to high pricing and limited understanding of products and solutions. Masimbe further states that insurance provision can no longer be a commodity exchange, hence the need for partnerships.
As we look at it, if we put the burden all on the employer to solve for these needs, it's likely to be very costly and very challenging, and that's why we need solutions that are driven from all parts of the kind of community. So I think employers can do their bits to maybe find some basic coverage, but we'll need employers, advisors, and us as insurance providers to try and bridge some of those gaps.
With high conviction to support local economic recovery, Gertze says the central bank is expected to maintain the repo rate throughout this year and only start cutting rates in 2024, lagging the South African Reserve Bank with rate cuts. The two spoke at the In Perspective Roadshow event organized by STANLIB and Liberty Life Namibia. The event, among others, unpacked key investment themes and what this means for economies around the globe. Siaman Bikwa, NBC News, Windhoek.